Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can embed a code on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find these two options, create a new folder and also create a new site. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your sites. And if you want, for example, to edit a site, just go ahead and hover your mouse over it. And then here you're going to find the option to select and edit your site. Go ahead and click on select and edit. And then just wait for your dashboard to load. And then you're going to be here in this dashboard. So basically, guys, once you're here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. And then you need to go here in the bottom. As you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to edit your site. Click on edit site. And then this will take you to this other page where you can edit your site. So just wait for the editor page to load. So once the page has loaded, this is how it will look like. So basically, guys, here in the left, so you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to edit your site. So right now, if you want to embed a code, go to the first option right here, which is add element. Go ahead and click on it. And then here, as you can see, guys, you can add a lot of elements like a text element, image, button, strip, decorative, box, and so on. And then as you can see, guys, here you're going to find embed code. It's going to be here under list. Go ahead and click on embed code. And then here in popular embeds, you're going to find the option to add a custom element. You can embed a HTML, embed a site. So for example, I'm going to add an HTML. So this is how it looks like. So just click on it and then right here, you're going to find two options. What do you want to add? You can either choose website address or code. Click on code and then you can add your code right here. And once you add your code, just go ahead and click on apply and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.